That's public information. She was a little rude.
Go ahead to the public website. You guys.
How do I know who she is, dude? You can't give me her name?
It's public information, right?
Exactly. Right. So she's supposed to identify. I don't know who I'm going to look up.
I can't tell you her name for her.
She already asked her. She don't want to give it.
Welcome back to Audit the Law, where we break down First Amendment audits on government officials.
One more thing I needed.
Talk to me, bro.
She's a public servant. She flipped out over the camera, and she gave me an attitude. She shut the fucking window on me. I just need her name, though.
We'll give you her name. We'll give you her name, and I'll check the body worn camera, and I'll check.
Absolutely.
We get a lot of comments on our videos, and one of the comments that we get often is, there's no situation that a cop can't make worse. With that being said, this guy walks into a police department to get a couple complaint forms. It could have been really easy. Print out the forms. If they don't have them readily available, give them to the man, let him fill them out. But that's not what's going to happen here, folks. They're going to make everything that is supposed to be easy extremely hard, because there is no situation that a cop can't make worse. Let's have a look.
What's up, America? You're watching Joy Surreal. We're back out of here. We're at the Hialeah Station Police Department.
Did I forget to mention to go subscribe to this channel? I'll drop the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's get right back to it.
Hola. Hi. How you doing? Yeah, I'm recording. Well, why not? I just need... Do you guys got complaint forms? I can't hear you. Can you open up a little bit more? I just told you. Complaint forms? Okay, so I want to make two complaints on two officers. How do I do that? This is a police station. So how do I make a complaint on two officers? I don't need to talk to the supervisor, but that's your protocol? So you don't have like sheets like this? Okay, can I get your name? What was that? I can't hear you. Can you just open up a little? Can you get the supervisor then? Are you an officer? No? Wow, this lady's rude, dude.
Right away, this woman started asking obvious questions like, are you recording? Clearly, she doesn't know that the people have rights. So what does she do? She calls the cops on this guy. First of all, what is she getting paid for if she doesn't know that the people have rights? Secondly, she doesn't even know how to do her job. She won't identify properly. She won't give this man his complaint form. This is what we the people are paying for. Incompetence.
What's up, man? No, all I just wanted was two complaint forms. She says there's no complaint forms. I don't understand.
Let me ask the sergeant, because when it comes to complaints, you will have to speak to the sergeant about it.
That's supposed to be in the lobby.
Yeah, but...
I just want to grab two sheets and I would have been off.
Was it here?
Right here. And she was a little rude. I don't know. She didn't want to give her name. What's her name?
Oh, I don't know who it is. What's his name?
You don't know her name that works here?
No, I have to see what Let me see.
She what? What was that? But she works for the public, though.
Let me see when she comes to, so I can tell you her name. I don't know.
Yeah, I need her
her
name.
name's on the shirt.
Yeah, that's why I couldn't get it. She didn't want to give it to me. I don't know why. I don't know why she was rude, dude. I just came to get two complaint forms, and that's it. What's your badge number and your name?
Officer Henriquez, badge 2193.
What about yours?
Duarte 2265.
All right, cool.
Yeah, let me see who exactly we're talking about.
Yeah, because that was just because I have a camera. She like, oh, I can't. But she was rude, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That wasn't cool. I just came to get two complaint forms. That's it, bro. 3 officers she called for three. Oh, we just came because you guys. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, because we come out of the station.
All right, cool.
Do you have a call start?
Who's your other officer, bro?
You went in there, I'm guessing they probably went to get the
Just gave me a smart remark. I don't understand that. All right, come on, man. You guys are being cool, bro. Appreciate that, man.
He's supposed to be coming, so he should be getting here in a minute now, Sergeant.
Oh, I thought you guys were coming to respond to the call.
Yeah, it's awesome, Sergeant. He's coming as well.
All right, bro. Well, you guys don't got the forms here?
No, usually they have it.
They don't have it?
They have it.
So I just want two.
Yeah, let me see exactly.
Okay. Thank you, man.
You record for the person using it.
I just record. I document everything with the government. That's all, bro. It's my right.
No, of course.
It's a public building, you know.
Yeah, it's nothing wrong.
That's all, bro.
You want to record it, right?
Yeah. For my safety, you know.
I get you. We don't take it personally.
Nah, that's cool. You shouldn't. You shouldn't. Exactly. Exactly. For real? All right. Thanks, man. So who's on the way? The sergeant?
Because the thing is, just in case if you want to do a complaint, because the way the
I just want to grab it in.
make a complaint, talk to a sergeant. So that's
I don't
where the
really.
sergeant's coming.
So anybody that comes that wants to complain from the street, they gotta speak to a sergeant for that.
We call with dispatch. That's why.
Oh,
So if
okay.
the complainant wanted to speak with a sergeant, make a complaint.
I didn't want to speak to the sergeant. She called the
Yeah,
sergeant.
that's why he's gonna.
I just wanted the complaint forms and bounce.
I don't know if it's communication, so I'd rather.
Okay, cool.
If you have anything to tell me, you can tell me.
Honestly, by policy, it should just be in the lobby. People could just grab it and go. That's it. But all this, it didn't. I mean, it is what it is. All right. I don't know. Maybe you probably seen me on my channel, my YouTube channel. If you watch it, you know Raggle Monkey.
Yeah.
It's my boy. Nah, it's my best friend.
Yeah, that's why I recognize you.
Yeah.
I think he actually printed a phone.
Oh, he printed them out. Right. See, if they were out here, I would have just grabbed it and dipped. I would have not even interacted with her. But she's like, "What are you doing recording?" I'm like, "Why not?" I was cool with her, but she was a little.
So we want to use again recorded.
That's why I do it, bro. You guys, she's a public servant, dude. She works for the public. She got no expectation of privacy. I'm allowed to film. Anybody could. It's a free press, bro. And she interacted with me for the complaint forms, and she called you guys. How long you been on the force, bro?
4 years.
True. You like your job and shit?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. You too? How long? 3 years? Cool. Do they train you guys when you guys are in the academy about the Constitution, the First Amendment, for all that? You know what I'm doing right now is the First Amendment, is free press. You know that, right? Okay, cool. Yeah. All right, cool, man.
Oh, the sergeant's coming with a phone.
Oh, with the forms?
You guys do the form, we don't have it yet.
Hey, can I get your badge number and your name, bro?
HPD forms 2368.
So you can't give me her name, bro?
You don't know what she's just been here.
That's public information. She was a little rude.
Go ahead to the public website. You guys.
How do I know who she is, dude? You can't give me her name?
It's public information, right?
Exactly. So she's supposed to identify. I don't know who I'm gonna look up.
I can't tell you her name for her.
She already asked her. She don't want to give it. So you have somebody like that works in the front desk for no reason. She just gave me an attitude because I was my camera on.
In my opinion, this cop knew her name but did not want to give it up. That would be a continuation of that blue line mentality.
I just wanted the complaint forms and I would have bounced.
No, the sergeant's coming right now with it.
All right, no problem, bro. No problem. So you guys don't want to identify her. You don't know who she is? I just want to hear her name. I couldn't even get it on the shirt. What's up, man? Awesome.
How you doing, sir? What's your name?
Joey.
Joey. How may I
I just need
Joey?
two complaint
Come over
forms.
here, Joey. Come.
I
I
just-
got you the complaint form. What's the complaint?
No, I just want to take it and go. You don't got no forms? I'm not ready to do it yet, bro. I still, you know what I mean?
Okay, we have two options. The option number one is you can fill it out here with me. You're gonna have to wait for me, fill it out. I'll fill it out for you, make sure everything is fine, and then you sign it. Or option number two is you can come tomorrow between the hours of 8 to 5, and you can speak to an internal affair investigator in person. And
Bro,
they'll
you
attend.
guys supposed to have forms. I want to just take it and go.
I get you, I
That's
get you,
it,
but-
bro. You guys don't have no forms in this station?
Again, I can do it for you now.
No, I don't have time right now to do it. I
Why
just
don't
came to pick it up and go. That's
So why
it.
don't you do this? Why don't you come back tomorrow?
There's a reason why certain policies are made. For instance, when a cop approaches you and you ask him for his name and badge number, they're supposed to identify. Secondly, when the people put a complaint on a cop, it is stipulated that a person can do that anonymously. That means a person does not have to speak to anybody. A person can fill out the form and even mail it in. Sometimes police officers think that they're going to do things a certain way, We have a certain protocol. Yada yada, whoop-de-whoop. Don't let cops lie to you, folks, because they'll do it with a serious face and a smile as well. Always know what the complaint is for. That's important because if you don't pinpoint exactly what policy they violated or professional standard, they will get that complaint form and toss it in the trash and call it unfounded. As of right now, this 3-striper is wrong. Will he correct himself? Will Joey correct him? Let's keep watching.
I can't come tomorrow, bro. I got some. Can I any other day? Like,
Yeah,
it's not. Listen,
tomorrow.
it's not supposed to be like that. You guys supposed to have forms out in the lobby, so it can just come in. People can come in, get them, and write out.
We don't have that.
That's violating
We're
policies.
taking,
dude.
listen, we're going to take, I'm not saying I'm going to take, I can either take your thing right now, I can take your complaint right now, we can document it, or you can go back tomorrow. If you can't come back tomorrow, you can come back on Wednesday. You can
So
come
what?
back on
What if I get a piece of paper and write it? And write the complaint.
Okay,
and
that's what I'm
come
saying.
back. But that's not the way it's done, bro. You guys supposed to have complaints. You guys nobody does complaints on officers here.
No, we don't have the complaint form.
You guys-
It's a different, listen.
You guys are supposed to. Okay, so
Different
who is the
departments have different policies.
Listen, who is the person that's internal affairs works in this building?
Yes.
Who is the one that I have to ask?
Right now, internal affairs isn't working.
Not right now, but who? When I come back tomorrow, let's see tomorrow. Who do I ask for?
You just ask for an internal affairs investigator.
That's it?
There's different investigators. Remember, that's what I'm saying. You come back tomorrow between the hours of 8 to 4 or 8 to 5. Let's go 8 to 4.
Is that just tomorrow or every day of the week?
Every day of the week, Monday to Friday.
So I came too late today,
You came to that.
pretty much. One more thing I needed.
Talk to me, brother.
She's a public servant. She flipped out over the camera and she gave me an attitude. She shut the fucking window on me. I just need her name, though.
We'll give you her name. We'll give you
I
her
need her
name,
name?
and I'll check the body worn camera and I'll check it.
Absolutely.
You're allowed
No,
to
this is
record.
gonna go on my platform.
That's
it.
You're
So
allowed
people
to
are gonna
record
see
it.
this.
You're allowed to record it. You're not a problem.
Awesome.
Speak
I
to her,
appreciate
we'll
your
give you-
demeanor, bro. It's cool. I just need her name and you put the cherry on the
I'll give
whipped
you her
cream,
name. That's
but
it.
not really because you guys supposed to have the complaint forms. there.
I know.
I come and test the
We're not-
police.
But listen, it's not that we don't want
I'm
to
not
take it.
agitating. I'm not trying to.
Nobody said you're agitating.
I'm just saying because Metro Dade don't like to say I'm
Nobody
agitating
said-
because of
What's your name? I don't know your name.
my name.
Yes.
Joey.
Joey.
I just told you.
No agitation.
I never
Not
shake
agitating.
hands, bro, but I'm doing it
I
again
appreciate
because.
you. I appreciate it.
But still,
Not
you're
agitating. I appreciate the way that you've come. I appreciate
Absolutely.
your attitude. That's what we
Absolutely. You come at me, you get the respect the same way you give it. That's
Like
it,
I
dude.
said, we will take the complaint if you want to come back.
I'm gonna come back, dude, because I really don't have time.
I understand.
I don't have time to sit here. It's 2 officers, so.
Okay, if you can't be here, let me get your information.
I just need her name.
I'm gonna get your name and her badge number. Okay, just give me
Hey,
one
is
second.
she's an officer?
No, she's a public service, PSA.
Absolutely. Okay, but she shouldn't act like that over the camera. I came very polite. I just
I'll
asked her for the
let
complaint
me
form.
check, I'll check her body on camera and I'll check it out.
Try to get. I'm gonna come back another time to revisit. You guys should have some complaint forms,
Come
dude.
back too late. Though.
No,
Try to
I
do
know.
it within this week. You know what
I know.
mean?
All right, so you guys should have complaint forms. Now, this is
all
the
right, I'll
first
take that
department,
into-
bro,
all right,
that
I'll
doesn't
take-
have complaint
I'll
forms.
take that into consideration. That's above my pay
But
grade.
listen, like the public, people, they don't want to interact with you guys because they think you guys looks intimidating and you might ask for ID. So people just like to grab the complaints and go, bro.
I get you.
That's really
But if
supposed to
but here
be.
it is. If it's your complaint, we have to ask for ID. We have to ask for ID.
Ask for ID too. No, you don't. We can file complaints. No. It's filed anonymously, bro. It's by law, statute 119, bro.
Okay.
I don't have to
I'm
give
just
my
saying-
information. I could be an anonymous.
But how? But that's the thing. Then how will we know the complaint?
You don't need to know. I could just turn in the complaint and you guys take care of it. You don't need to know. Some people want to do it anonymously. Yes, I know what I'm doing, bro.
No, I'm not saying you don't. I'm not
You
saying
don't have to
I'm
do
saying
that.
Let's say that there is something, let's say criminal in the complaint.
It's
I'm
up,
just saying-
it's up to the complainant. The complainant, if he wants to give the ID and show, and I want to be the one, to show my name on this, but I don't have to.
Okay. I'm just saying because let's say
So
the
if somebody doesn't identify, sorry to cut you off. If somebody doesn't want to identify and they want to file a complaint on somebody, but they don't want to know who. It doesn't. You guys,
let's say
what do you
the
mean?
complaint is valid. How do we?
You guys
where do
still
we
have
find
to
it?
proceed with the complaint. Why not? Why do you need to know who it is? You don't need to know that.
Where would we find that person?
You don't need to find that person. You file the complaint. That person can keep up with it with an email. You don't have to have the person's information out there.
I'm not.
No, I'm not saying. I don't listen.
I'm just saying. If there is a valid complaint, then we have to get back to that person. Who do we locate?
It depends on. You don't have to get back to that person. Technically, if a complaint's been filed, it's turned in. You guys gotta review it. No. Listen, I don't know it.
We do. We review all the complaints.
I don't know it all, but in the industry that I'm in, I know, bro. I wouldn't come out here like this and come at you like this if I didn't know.
I respect that.
You know what I mean?
I'm not saying you don't know. I'm
That's
just saying in the event that I'm just saying in the event that put yourself in my situation, in the event that we have to find that person because it is a valid complaint, who do we look for?
But why would you want to find that person for what?
If it's a complaint, let's
If
say
it's a complaint.
let's say it's criminal, and we need to.
But it doesn't-
find, not on you. I'm saying, let's say on whoever you complained against. Where do we find the complaint?
You don't have to know that. All you got to do is investigate the complaint.
That's a first for me. I'm not saying
It's
it's
a
wrong.
well, you should look
I'm not
into
saying
that.
it's wrong, but I'm just saying it's a first for me.
You should look into. I don't want to get my information on that.
Okay.
So you're not gonna take my complaint.
No, your complaint's gonna be taken.
Okay,
What
then.
I'm saying is how are we gonna
So
get
you
to
got-
you after the complaint?
But you guys, are you still gonna follow through with a complaint even if I don't give my information?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so that's it.
That's all you want.
That's all I want.
So let me get
Just
you-
her name and I'm out of your hair, bro.
I'll give you a hint, and remember, try not to come back too. You know,
I got
if
it.
you can't come back tomorrow, come back
I got
Wednesday,
it.
Thursday, try to come back this week, okay?
Wait, everybody, you guys are surrounding me. What's up? Not intimidations ain't gonna work, bro. Not with me. I'm just saying, bro. Not because, not you guys, but you guys, cops do that. They come and try to intimidate when you interact with people. People get scared of you, dude. They do, bro. That's why a lot of people record the police all the time. Now it's like a big thing right now. But you guys been cool, bro. Your attitude kind of sucked when you came in. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna call you out. Oh, but you know what? Look what your sergeant is doing right now. You could have. It's all right. You guys still have the old school Fords, huh? Those town cars, the Crown Vics. Damn. A lot of like Metro Dade, not Metro Dade. Well, over there in Fort Myers, I be over there a lot, and now all that area it's a lot of like SUVs and shit. There's no more of those cars. You guys are not gonna switch to like those type of shit.
I'm switching to Ford Explorers.
Yeah, those.
Ford
Yeah.
Explorers, we would have the Charger.
Cool.
And then basically the Crown Vics are going to like those junior guys.
Cool.
More or less, a couple months. Cool.
Yeah. I'm just saying, it's like I haven't seen those in a while, bro. Those, yeah.
Great cars.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, they're. But so you're the sergeant. You're their supervisor. Yes, sir. Awesome.
There you go,
So what's
brother.
your
It's
name?
gonna be, it's a PSA, it's Montenegro
Hey,
Department.
thank you, bro.
Nice
What
to
was your
meet
name?
you.
What was
Danny
your-
Pelaez.
Danny Pelaez,
Nice to
appreciate
meet
it.
you. Joey, right?
Joey, yes, sir. You guys be safe, man. All right. Complaint forms, look into that. I'll be back. All right, man. Y'all be safe.
If you guys don't know, Joey is the brother of Jay from Jay Surreal Camera. This is Joey's backup channel, Surreal Cam. I would definitely appreciate it if you guys went over and subscribed and let him know that I sent you. About this video, Joey went in there for a specific reason, and that was to grab a complaint form, take it with him, fill it out, turn it in. The woman at the front desk, she didn't understand exactly how to do her job. And that's sad for that community because that's what the people pay for. Also, those cops, they seemed to have a good attitude. They respected his right to record. I'm not going to come down hard on the cops on this one. Although the supervisor didn't really know exactly how the complaint form process went down, were these cops playing for the camera? I'm not entirely sure that they were or that they weren't. The truth is, because of First Amendment audits and people recording and going in these government installations and asking questions, we are teaching the government who is in charge, and that is we the people. It's shift change, baby, and it's time to put the power back into the hands of the people. It's an empowerment that lasts forever, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and Surreal Cam's channel as well. It's time we the people let government know exactly who is in charge. Without us, there is no them. We want professionalism, we want transparency and accountability, and we want the cops knowing that the people have natural rights. And folks, if you don't know, the First Amendment of the Constitution will give it to you before we head out of here. You have freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Keep in mind these documents don't give you your rights. You were born with natural rights. These documents limit the scope of authority that public officials have over we the people. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.